Not so sure, Michael. I will tell you this, though. You're right. Had she died of a heart attack or something else, I think it would have been a much more difficult question as to whether to charge the children based on the condition that she was in. But the testimony was that she died of sepsis because of this broken leg, this broken bone. Someone in that house had to have known about that broken bone. It was obviously wrapped up at various times. I think they're going to try to claim that the bone somehow came through after she hit it. I don't know. I'm not sure if they're going to buy that at that meeting, the jury. So with that being the case, when you talk about the juxtaposition between Karen, who seemed to be more involved in care, and Michael, who was less involved and claimed that the leg was always wrapped up when he saw it, I think there's an argument to be made for him in that sense rather than her.
You're in good company. This is why, so Michael, this is the challenge in this case. This is why 3 investigative bodies had to do investigations, and this is why the prosecution sent this to a grand jury and didn't just sit down and look at the sheet and say, we're going to charge murder 1, because they're charged with murder 1. Murder 1's pretty high. I don't see that. And so 3 investigative bodies, the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, the local police, and Adult Protective Services, all investigated this crime to look into exactly what you're saying. And the boy, I mean, we all know when 2 people are in charge, no one's in charge. And so at the end of the day, I could see that also having playing a factor is it wasn't me, it was you, or it wasn't me, it was you. So like, this is very tough. This is a very jarring case. It's probably among the most difficult cases to prove as a prosecutor because of the fact that like the leg was wrapped up. I thought my sister was taking care of it. It's tough. I just don't, I think in Tennessee the burden is high. And I just don't see how they're going to show that either of these kids knowingly took an affirmative act or an affirmative act of neglect that caused the mom to die. I just don't see it.